What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DOGECOIN. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, right after we had this movement to the upside, and then we went almost at the same spot that we were previously. And this movement to the upside was made because of the rumors that Elon Musk posted a winky face on the question that DOGECOIN will be accepted for Starlink project. And definitely it might be not the case that it will happen, but the winky face from Elon Musk always creates some mystery around the asset, any assets, and that's why we have to be cautious. So right here, as you can see, we had a very good support range, and so far it holds pretty good, and we didn't even hit it right here with our recent movement to the downside, but we still have these chances. And if we'll have a good bounce from this range, it will definitely be a good sign for this asset that it might hit higher targets. And I will show you the exact setup for the DOGECOIN in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. For now, we are sitting at $1.99 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.16% increase over the last day. And as you can see, we have sideways movement on the major coins. Bitcoin lost about 0.21%, Ethereum lost about 0.36%, and the BNB lost about 0.15%. And on a 7 days period, we have the sideways movement as well. And Bitcoin lost about 0.86%, Ethereum lost roughly 3%, and BNB gained about 1.46%. So let's continue with the DOGECOIN numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $19.78 billion. It is a 0.79% increase over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $471.69 million, and it is a almost 25% decrease over the 24 hours period. So I have to say that we don't have major news directly related to DOGECOIN. The most recent one I covered in my previous video, and it was about the Starlink acceptance of DOGECOIN. And for now we have this article, the only one, that is titled DOGECOIN consolidates ahead of Fed minutes on interest rates. And it was published on February 16th. And let me quote you this. DOGECOIN was trading slightly lower on Wednesday in sympathy with Bitcoin and Ethereum, which was sliding about 2 and 3% respectively. Both the general market and the cryptocurrency market were awaiting the release of the Federal Reserve's monthly minutes at 2 p.m. Eastern Time for information about how it plans to combat rising inflation. The cryptocurrency market has recently begun to react bearishly to the Fed's increasingly hawkish tone, which indicates crypto is not in favor as a safe haven asset. Although DOGECOIN is likely to trade in sympathy with the apex cryptos as they react to the Fed's decision on Wednesday, DOGECOIN has become less volatile lately, trading with the 4-cent range between about $0.135 and $0.174 for the past 22 days. So, I have to say that without major news related directly to DOGECOIN, we have to pay our attention on the total sentiment of the market and definitely to the Bitcoin and Ethereum price charts. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me add to this price chart the Bitcoin price action, and let me change the color of this line to white. So, as you can see, Dogecoin is mimicking the price action of Bitcoin until this range, and as you can see, Bitcoin has a sideways movement for quite some time, but Dogecoin has this spike, and then when Bitcoin rised, right here you can see the price targets of this movement from roughly $42,000 to this top of $44,500. Dogecoin has only slight increase in its price, and as you can see, we have this formation that forms some kind of triangle, and it is a symmetrical triangle. And let me show you more thoroughly. We don't need this price chart anymore because we don't have 100% correlation at this very point, but we might see this correlation in upcoming days. And right here, let me mark this range for you. If I connect the top of the B wave and these tops, we have this price action, this apex of the symmetrical triangle. And definitely, if we will have a breakout to the upside or to the downside from this triangle with increasing volume, it will indicate the next trend for at least several days. And we have to keep an eye on this apex. On top of that, from the bullish standpoint, I have to say that if my Elliott wave breakdown is correct, and right here we complete 5-wave structure in this movement to the upside, and we have a retracement as a simple zigzag ABC correction. And if the bigger picture is correct, right here we have the first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And in this case we complete only the first wave from the very bottom, from this swing low to this point, and that's why right here we have the ranges of Fibonacci retracement tool, and I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, and we hit golden pocket pattern right here with the confluence of these two supports. And this point was a very strong entry point for the day traders, because definitely these people are experienced enough to make this type of trades during the day. And right here we might have this is our first wave, this is our second wave, this is another first wave on a smaller scale, and this is another second wave. In this case, if it is two first wave on a bigger and on a smaller scale, we might have a next leg to the upside if this support range holds and if we will break it to the upside. And the third wave on this scale will hit major targets, and let me define these targets for you. So definitely we have to exceed first of all our previous swing high. It is the price point of $0.1736. Next one, it is this swing high and this confluence with our range of resistance, and it is a price point of 0.2159, and the major price point that we should break, and it is our main target for now, is right here at the price point of 34 cents. And if we'll have enough steam to break this range to the upside potential for this trade might be up to 130%. And the downside potential, depending on your risk tolerance and depending on your stop loss, and you can put your stop loss on every local bottom right here at 3.92%, right here at 8.44%, or right here at the swing low at 18%. And even the 18% of downside potential and 130% of upside potential implies extremely good risk to reward ratio that a lot of traders might feel with their position. So I think it is quite good setup, and as usual we have to be cautious because we don't have major news directly related to Dogecoin. That's why we have to rely only on Bitcoin price chart, and so far Bitcoin is in consolidation phase, but in my opinion we are more bullish on a bigger picture. That's why we can have this movement to the upside as a potential next major price action, and we might hit the range of about 34 cents in a matter of next month or month and a half, and you have to be prepared for this. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!